Hey, what's going on, my friends? Wanted to do a lesson for Mark Lanegan's song that I like called Beehive. This was on, well, this was from the Gargoyle album, which I believe came out in 2017. So this is just another song of his that I like. I actually saw the video on YouTube and liked the song right away, and I played along with it and learned it. So I just wanted to show you guys a way to play it like on the acoustic, because I think on the actual song he's playing it. Whoever's playing that guitar part's on. It's playing on the electric with a lot of effects. So there are three parts to the song. There's the first part of the verse, the second part, and then the chorus. During the chorus, you're going to be bending like up. Well, the song's in the key of B. Let me start with the first part and then second. Then I'll get to the chorus. But it's in the key of B. And during the verses, he's going to be doing something like this. So you're going to play, start with the bass note of this, power chord, which is the second fret of the A string. Then you're going to, like my ring finger, I'm barred at the fourth fret from the D string down, and you're going to pick the note at the G string, 4, then lift your ring finger, add it back on, then lift it off again. You're going to be picking the D string now, and add your ring finger to the fourth of the D. So it starts on the G string, adding it, lifting off, then you go to the D, do the same thing. And hit the bass note of the chord, start it again. So this is what he's doing during the first part of the verse. Scenes of dying light, everywhere through a firecrack of summer, suddenly alone in a beehive. So now the second part of the verse, you're doing the same chord, but you're not going to be doing that. You're going to be more like picking through the notes in the chord. And also, I think he's adding a little suspension to the, what would that be? The fifth fret on the B string. Or you could just pick through the notes, like just play a B power chord like this. And then you're going to go to E suspended, to E, come back to the B. So this is where you're, where is this in the verse? Water down from the mountain, I'm washed across the killing Now it's gonna, this is the chorus. Beehive, beehive. So it does that twice. What I think he's doing there is you're gonna hit that bass note of the B chord again. You're gonna bend on the G string like on the third fret. Instead of, you're gonna bend up to this note like this. Does that twice, and then one just gets me stoned when I'm living. F sharp, L roll. to do this 4 times. And now you're going to start the... And then it just repeats, goes into the other part. Okay. Yeah, this is one of many of his songs that I like, and I plan on doing a few more lessons, hopefully if I get the time in the near future. But that should be enough to, get you started with that song, I hope, and hopefully that will be helpful and you could learn from that. All right, take care. I'll talk to you soon.